Today we're going to show you how easy it is to make a bead bar necklace. We've chosen to use freshwater pearls, which is the birthstone for June, but you could choose any gemstone bead of your choice. It's a really nice project for beginners because the only tools that you need are a couple of pairs of pliers. So the tools we're going to use today are some snipe nose pliers. I've got 2 pairs of those here, round nose pliers and some snips or side cutters. And then our materials, we've got some 0.3mm sterling silver wire, look at that. A selection of beads, we've picked these nice freshwater pearls, and a chain. You want to make sure that your chain has got links that you can fit your wire through. So we've picked an SN1 fine trace chain, and we've cut that in half already using the side cutters. First of all, we're going to take our wire, and I've selected the beads that I'm going to use for the necklace. Probably want about double the length of wire than the length of beads that you've got there, so I'm just cut that length now. Then, to make sure that the beads stay nice and straight on the bar, we're going to just work hard on the wire a little bit. So if you grab hold of it in your snipe nose pliers, pull it taut and just twist gently side to side like this. It will just stiffen the wire slightly. Okay, so then we're going to use our round nose pliers, bend a loop in the wire, make it quite small so it looks neat. Then we're going to thread on the last link on our chain. Thread that around. So, using our snipe nose pliers, we're just going to grip that loop whilst wrapping that end tail of wire around just about three coils or so, just so it's nicely secure. Then just going to trim that end. And you can use your snipe nose pliers to tuck in that last little bit. Make it really neat. Okay, so now we're going to thread on our pearls. We're just using all the same pearls here, but you could use any beads, so you can use a mixture of different colours, different gemstones, all the same. Like that. Then we're going to bend a loop in the wire at the other end, exactly the same as we've done here, and capture the other end of the wire. Bend the loop around. Hook on the last link of the chain. Using the snipe nose pliers, bend the wire around. So you've got about 3 coils. And using your side cutters, just trim that last end of wire as close as you can. And tuck in the end using the snipe nose pliers. And here's the finished result, a freshwater pearl bead bar necklace. Why not create your own today and use your own choice of beads? You could use all the same stone as we've done here, or create a pattern using different colours, or even just use a single bead. Visit our website today, Kernowcraft.com, and you can get all the supplies that you need for this, plus more inspiration.